It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has a programmable memory seat, power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock buttons, door storage, and the premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting controls. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the power sunroof buttons, the rear window slider button, programmable garage door opener, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror, GMC's infotainment center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert. We've also got some USB ports and power plug-ins. On top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Sierra, we have black tow hooks, a grayed out GMC emblem, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch wheels, a 5.3 liter V8 engine under the hood, front and rear tinted windows. We've also got window vents, running boards down below. At the back, the rear window slider, a tonneau cover, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're able to drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks and a spray-in box liner. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has a power plug-in and storage compartments. The middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. We also have all-weather floor mats on the floor. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at Western GMC